Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy the Hodl coin on your Trust Wallet application, step by step. First of all, we'll be opening up Google Chrome. Once that's done, the link to the description of this coin is going to be in the description of the video. Right now we're on coinmarketcap.com and we're going to be copying its BNB Smart Chain contract address. Once it's copied, you take note of its price and its rank in the official CoinMarketCap listing. From here, we head over to Trust Wallet. Once at Trust Wallet, the toggle at the top right corner of the screen, you paste the wallet address, you activate the coin, click on Hodl. It only shows send, receive, no option to buy. So we head over to the browser section at the bottom right corner. Once there, you click on PancakeSwap. Make sure your wallet is connected as well. Once that's done, you click on USDT and you paste the wallet address we just copied now. Import Hodl. I understand. Click on import. Click on Terra Luna. Click on BNB. And we're going to be using $0.005. Click on swap. Click on confirm swap. Click on approve. Now we wait for the confirmation. Add Hodl to wallet. Click on close. Now close the PancakeSwap. Reload. And boom, your Hodl has appeared. Alright guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how to buy the Hodl on Trust Wallet and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.